Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create practice tests using AI exam prep. The process is very simple and happens in just a few steps. In the first step, you can provide your sample questions either by typing them into the text box or by uploading a photo of your questions. By default, the platform generates multiple choice questions or MCQs. If you don't want MCQs, you can simply uncheck this option. Coming to the second step, we have the difficulty level. By default, it is set to medium, but you can choose easy, tough, or even mixed mode. In mixed mode, you can customize the distribution. For example, you can choose one easy, two medium, and one tough question. We also have two question generation styles, creative style and strict format. In creative style, the AI changes the way the question is asked while keeping the same concept. For example, instead of directly asking what is 2 plus 3, it may ask something like, if you have 2 apples and add 3 more apples, how many apples do I have in total? So it makes learning more interactive and fun for the kids. If you choose strict format, the generated questions will follow the same structure and style as your sample questions. Now coming to the third steps, we have two modes. One is test mode and a practice mode. In test mode, students will see all the answers only at the end, just like a real exam. In practice mode, answers are shown immediately after each question submission. This makes learning more engaging, especially for kids, because they get instant feedback. Next, you can choose how many questions you want to generate from each sample. So if you provide a sample like this, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, you can increase or decrease number of questions per sample. We also provide timer option when you choose test mode. You can either keep it without a timer or set a time limit in minutes to create a time bounded exam. Once all the details are provided, simply click on generate my questions. So you can answer it. I'm picking some random answers. Once the test is completed and submitted, the AI evaluates the answers automatically. And if you feel a correct answer was marked wrong, we also have a report option. When you click on it, the question gets flagged for review and the AI rechecks the answer. You can submit the flagged question for review here. If your answer is actually correct, the marks will be updated automatically. We also have quick access sections like mock test, practice test, school hub, and entrance exam preparation. Inside the school hub, students can easily generate tests from class 1 to 12. Here you can see the subject listed: English, math, and starting from class 3, you have science. From class 4, you have social also. When you open a subject test, you will see multiple prepared question sets. If you start a test, the system automatically picks random questions and generates a fresh practice test for you. So in this case, you don't even need to upload questions manually. The platform already provided ready-made practice content. You can directly go and generate the questions and start conducting the test. So yes, that's a quick overview of a exam prep. Thank you.